Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best keto Alfredo. It's garlicky and it's cheesy and it's just perfect for this low carb diet. So if you want to know how to make this, keep watching. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is add some oil to our pan if you're adding a protein that you need to cook. I'm doing some shrimp here, so I just want to lay them in the pan, cook them for about 2 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other just before they're done. Once I get a nice color on them, I remove them. They're going to finish cooking in the sauce, so we don't want overcooked shrimp. Once you get these all out, you want to go ahead and add in some butter and let it start to melt down. You can add in your garlic before it's all melted down because we want this to toast, but we don't want it to brown too quickly or too much because it'll put a bitter taste in your Alfredo. So we're just getting that till it's fragrant, really, about a minute. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and add in your heavy cream. Get as much as you can out of your cup. And it looks a little broken here, but it's all going to come together. We just want to stir this around and get it more incorporated and warm it through, getting all those brown bits off the bottom because that's flavor. Now you want to simmer this until you get bubbles around the edges but not let it boil, and then you add in your cheese. This is a Parmesan mozzarella mix. This recipe is on LizeeAngel.com, and you just want to stir that until it melts and begins to thicken. At about this point, I like to add in a good amount of black pepper because that just adds in a lot of flavor. The cheese that I used was very salty, so I didn't add additional salt. Once you get it to a boil that you like, a thickness that you like, I like it here. I go ahead and add back in my protein where it'll finish cooking. So this is the shrimp. And then I also added in some broccoli because, we got to get our vegetables in. And I just go ahead and stir that around. Once it's coated pretty well, you can go in and add in your pasta. Here I'm using palmini pasta. It's a hearts of palm pasta, and I'm using that, stirring that in. I have a full review on these noodles in this video to the side. Now we remove the